Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the support. But it is my birthday month and I'm hyped, okay? I'm gonna keep making different type of makeup looks for my birthday because I really need an inspiration. I really need the look for my birthday. So I'm gonna keep designing or keep creating new looks so that you guys can be the judge to see what type of look I should do on my birthday. Okay? Can you guys do that for me? So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so the first color I'm going to use is this soft pink from Morphe's 35B palette. And I'm going to use this soft pink shade as a transition color. And the next color I'm going to use is this hot pink in the same palette. And what I'm going to do is just cover my entire lid with this color. And for my next step, you guys know that I love using NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to do a cut crease because I want my glitter to be in the shape of a cut crease. So after this, I'm going to go in with this glitter that I ordered from Fluttered by Ro. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll make sure that I'll put it in the description box below. For primer, I'm going to use Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. I want to make sure that day that my makeup does not fall off, or make sure that it stays non-transferable. So I'm going to use this primer to make sure that my makeup stays in place all day. Today's foundation, I'm going to use MILANI's Conceal and Perfect in 9A Natural Tan. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do my foundation routine, if you haven't seen the video yet, I will link the video in my description box. this is extreme because I only have what, 94 subscribers, but let's get to let's get to 1K. Oh, well, why not? Why not for my birthday? So now the goal is for this channel to get to 1K by July 24th or by July 30th for the birthday month. Let's get there. Can we get there? Can y'all do that? Can y'all help me do that? Don't y'all want to see me succeed? Don't y'all want to see more videos? I guess I'm going to do more videos to get to 1K. That's beside the point. I'm talking about your part. I'm talking about you sharing my videos to help me get to what I need to be. Who knows? Maybe at 1K I'll do a small little giveaway. You never know. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Share the video.